everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can combine and merge two videos together so that it can basically two videos into one object. Now we're going to be using the Filmora instant cutter tool for this. So in order to do this, we're going to be doing it while we import the videos. So once you have your Filmora opened up right here, we're going to go to the drop your video clips, images, or audio here, or click here to import media. Now we're gonna go to project media, import media files, and all this. So we want to right click on this, and we want to press on import with instant cutter tool. We're gonna press on merge, open file, and we're gonna choose two files. So I'm gonna go right here, choose this and this. So use the control key to choose two things at once, open, and it should bring both of these. From there you can have this, and we're gonna press on export my video. Okay, and it's here. I'm going to put this into my videos tab and close. From here, when we press on import media, go to videos, this is it right here. And as you can see, once we open it up, this right here, as you can see, it is this. Oh my god, I got so scared. I'm sorry. So it is this video, and then right after it, as you can see, the fire starts up. So it is one object, and basically that's how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our more tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.